As you can see here, since our last video, we've made some purchases. But now that we're adding a lot more information to the spreadsheet, we can kind of tell that it's looking a little bit small, and we kind of want to just zoom in a bit. So there's two ways we can do that. One, and the easiest way, is to just go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and you have the plus and minus for zoom in and zoom out. If that's not there for some reason, you could also go up to the top ribbon and go to View and click Zoom, and you can also choose your zoom level. But we're going to choose the easy way, and we're going to zoom in down here. We can go up to 70, let's do 80, because that looks a little bit better. I think we have a pretty good view of what we're doing now.
Now that we have zoomed in, we want to stop at Tim Hortons for coffee, and we pay $1.89 there for the coffee using our debit card. And let's identify that with a comment as well using the F2 key. That saves time because sometimes the keyboard is faster than the mouse. And speaking of that, what we want to do here is using, again, Control C. It really copies that cell over to the bank where we're taking it out of the bank. I hit Control V to enter that data in there, and we still see a spillage there of 378, so that means we have to change the sign because the money is coming out of our pot. So we basically add a negative sign to the 189 and the spill goes away.